Hello children, are you ready for your sound activity? Today we will make our own maracas. So get your fingers ready. First of all, take a bottle. Open it and put the cap on a side. Here I have some kidney beans. You can take whatever is available with you. We will put 10 beans in the first bottle. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, close the bottle and put it on a side. Shake it. Now take the other bottle. Open it. This time we have to put 20 beans in it. 1, 2, count 3, all of you count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold the bottle from the top and shake it. As you can see, the bottle containing the 10 beans has a lighter sound than a bottle containing 20 beans. Now shake it, both bottles. Shake it. Shake your bottles. Listen to the music. Happy learning.